Alright guys, welcome back to another trade recap. We are going through the trade that I took on MNQ today for 5 contracts. It was a very simple read today, and I ended up with around $640 on the day. Hold on. I have my Discord pulled up right here. There we go. I have my Discord pulled up with my trade plan going through what I wanted to do today. So if you guys want early access to like my view on the charts, I'm going to be putting it in here every single day. I wanted to see us hit the unmitigated 4-hour gap and then go below, which is what we're doing right now. But as you can see, I drew it out as going and hitting this 15-minute gap below first, and then going to that 4-hour gap, which is the trade that I ended up taking. We go down and hit that 15-minute gap and then go hit the 4-hour. And I wouldn't be looking for any longs after this today, but we are still trading inside of that 4-hour, so who knows. But I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how I marked this up and how I viewed the charts coming into today. First off, I started on the daily charts. There we go. And there was absolutely nothing. Like, we already swept previous day highs, and I didn't see us going lower till we hit that 4-hour, so previous day lows didn't really matter. I went on to the 4-hour, and then we had this big gap up here, so I marked that out. And then I went on the 1-hour, and it was kind of just chopped. There wasn't really any bullish 1-hour gaps that I wanted to mark out, no bearish 1-hour gaps that I wanted to mark out. Said okay, so I went down to the 15-minute gap. I saw this big old 15-minute gap right here. I'm like, we will be marking that out because I wanted to see us run down to that right off of open. That's what I wanted to see, is go right down to open and take that out. So then I just kind of waited for open to happen. I marked out my OTE levels at this high and this low, and we ended up tapping the 0.5. I went on this 30-second, and we had a 30-second inversion right here. And this is exactly the trade that I took. It was right there for $640. But that's exactly how I walk through the markets. It's so simple, it's so mechanical, and there's nothing like, if price did not run down to that 15-minute gap and tap that 0.5, then I wouldn't have taken a trade. It's that simple. I'm waiting for the setup to come to me instead of going out there and chasing a setup today. But if you look at this, we're going to have another setup that's going to play out down low, and I don't even care because I got the setup before the setup that you'll probably see everybody else taking online. But it can be that simple. Trading can be that simple. And I mean, I would say the biggest confluence that I use is OTE, and it's optimal trade entry. I've done a video on it in my Discord, so if you guys want to see anything, it's in my Discord. I'm not putting it out online yet because I'm technically not profitable, and I don't feel comfortable doing that. But I do drop some sauce in my Discord, so join up my Discord if you want extra sauce, and yeah, if you just want a community to trade with. But that is what I took for today. I'll not be trading anymore today, and I hope you guys could gain some value from this. This is not financial advice, but yeah, I hope you guys caught a trade today, and I wish you the best of luck.